She was born in the country, under blue sky. Always knew she'd be something, floating so high. She knows I need her, knows I need her by my side. She's the one that falls so right. She's the early morning light. She's a warm and cool summer night that feels just right.
Ang feeling karon nga dili na ko ma-control is fulfilling lang nga nabot na ni nga time nga as a groom na, unlike the past years nga mo ang the usual nga trabaho mo, document mo, video shoot, mag shoot og mga wedding. Lami kay sa feeling nga ikaw na pud ang star, ikaw na pud ang center, ikaw na ang naa sa camera, ikaw na ang nasa scene.
She's the one that falls so right. She's the early morning light. She's a warm and cool summer night. Feels just right. She's a warm and cool summer. Feels just right.
As a videographer, photographer, fashion designer siya, ako siyang gihagad og collaboration. Di hatag tagkuan deal, mo ni gusto ko magig-collab as a shootan ako yung mga collections, pero lahi detong gi-collect. Ang iya dayong heart.
Pag ingon nimo nga muadto ka sa balay kay mananghid ka ila mama ug papa nga manguyab ka sa ako, kaingon ko kaisog ba ni diay bantay di mo lahutay, but silently hoping you would because I somehow knew that you were the one. And there you asked me the question I never thought before that I would be asked.
Submit to one another out of reverence for the Lord. Bahagyo ni ang basis, mao ang foundation diha sa panimalay, mao ang pag-submit sa usag-usa tungod sa ato sab nga pagsubmitar ngadto sa Ginoo.
Babe, you are now the weaver of our story, and I, your visual poet, who's gonna capture your very beauty, even the tiniest bit of your glory. In this moment, as we bind our souls to eternity, I make an oath to God unto you. Through the heavens and earth may fall, tidal waves and earthquakes.
Murag katulod jud to kaganiha.
Whatever afflictions and famine we face, my love for you will never change.
Ganong siya. Nakita na ko ang kaugmaon sa iya. Though life is not perfect, pero siya ang nagapuno kung unsa ang akong kulang. Like siya ang mobalanse sa ako makakulangon sa tanan-tanan. Sa karon ready na jud kayo bay. Ready na kayo nga nanata nga stage sa tong life. The greatest collaboration of all between a videographer and a fashion designer.
In the heart of every moment, there's a magic hour. The streams are ever flowing through the fields of wildflowers. Let the peaceful freedom draw you in. Let it draw you in to the light where long lost love begins. Let love beckon you.
Your consistency and sincerity from the start has always had me kilig and so love. I choose to spend today and the rest of the days of my life with you.
Enric, will you have Charmin to be your wedded wife? Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her? In sickness and in health, give yourself only for her, so long as you both shall live.
I will.
Charmin, will you have Enric to be your wedded husband? Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him? In sickness and in health, keep yourself only for him, so long as you both shall live.
I will.
Underneath the sky, full of satellite, rivers running wild into the ocean. Dreams are catching flight, breaking paradigms. Only happens right in this very moment. Underneath the sky, full of satellite, rivers running wild into the ocean. Dreams are catching flight, breaking paradigms. Only happens right in this very moment.